guys, it's Super Jack's TV. And today, I'm sorry I didn't make a video in a while, but
what about me?
And Friday, and I'm going to box. An unboxing of the rival, the new Nerf rifle. I already have one, but I'm sorry. I think I might do another one of that, and it's just go out there quick, and I can just put it in here. But here we go.
It's yours.
While he's opening that, I'm going to show you my razor.
Hi.
Lots of
Let's
cool
just hit the
attachments.
Barry's house.
That's modules attachments on it.
It's just such a gross house. Some people don't know what to.
Nice! Is that for you, Jess?
Yep.
Yes, that is his brother, Linky.
Exactly.
That's
Hey, thank you, Riley. Everyone knows that because you see my videos.
That is an awesome rival. Like, I dare you to shoot it.
No, don't hit some.
Oh, try to hit the.
Shoot me in the stomach.
Try to shoot the white chair. John, try to shoot the white chair.
I want to shoot it. Okay, just got that open. 1, 2, 3.
That was close, Linky.
Is this a 7?
There's another one right there. Jax.
This one on me.
There's one more ball right there.
This?
Can I figure out how it goes? I think, I'm pretty sure it goes this way. Yeah.
Okay, now,
He's going to test shooting it.
You're gonna shoot it what direction?
You're welcome.
That one's spring loaded, right? And it's not on batteries?
Shoot your dad. Or try not to hit your brother. That went over the fence.
So what are your first thoughts on the Nerf rival?
that.
They're amazing.
Yeah, yes, they're amazing. And,
Dog! Yes, this is a serious Nerf war!
unboxing turned into an awesome Nerf war.
Charge! Well, you can stay here and say, but I'm going in!
Me too.
War!
What do you gotta say to them before you...
Bye.
Is that it?
Peace.